Hello everyone, so welcome to today's video. I have a very exciting video because I recently thought that it might be a good idea for me to revisit some really old favorite products that I used to use way back. We're talking 5+ years ago, and do videos on them and seeing what my thoughts are now, years later, if those products are still available. Sort of kind of circle back around these products and see if they're any good. So I went to Ulta and I got a few things. But today's video is going to be dedicated on a mascara that I used to love. Now, I think this video is probably 6 years old, the one that I did reviewing this product and really loving it. So I wanted to revisit that, and I thought it would be fun to kind of go back and see if I can insert clips of my video into this video so that you guys can see what my thoughts were, and seeing if I still think the same about the product. If they've changed the formula. Since it's mascara, sometimes they do update formulas and they change things. Sometimes they change the brush. So we're going to get into it. And I remember this was my holy grail. This was it for me. The mascara that I'm talking about is the Maybelline The Rocket Volume. It looks like this. I have not even opened the packaging. We're going to try it out and see. I got it in the blackest black shade, which is the color that I always go for, the blackest formula that I could find, because that's what I like. And it says new. I don't know why it would be new, because this is definitely not a new mascara. It says Supersonic Brush, explosive volume from root to tip. So 8 times more volume, that's clump free. And that's one of the things that I remember vividly about this mascara, is that it lengthened, it thickened, it gave me really dark lashes and made my lashes look really full and super long, where they were almost touching my eyebrows. So my lashes on their own are pretty decent. They're not extremely long, but they're not short. And for me, I look for a lot of things in mascara, so this definitely checked off all my boxes. So this time around, I'm looking for mascaras that thicken, lengthen, give me dark lashes from root to tip, separation, make them look fake, so that I don't have to mess with false eyelashes or individual lashes. So let's sort of circle back and look at that video and see what my thoughts were, and then we'll do an application of this and see if it's still any good. I really like this mascara. I like how it's very intense in color. It's nice and rich, pigmented black. It does build nicely on itself. I do usually 2 coats, and that's enough for me. So what you want to do, I'm going to move my mirror, so if you see the silver, that's what that is. You want to put the mascara, the wand, and then at the base of your lashes, and then pull upwards.
What's funny is that I still have that same shirt, and I actually wore it just the other day around the house. I remember, I think I got that shirt at Kmart or something 7 years ago. Went there with my mom, and my son was just a little baby. But it's funny to see myself. I still kind of look the same, but still something is a little different. I think maybe the makeup in this video is totally different than what I would do. It's like I had lilac eyeshadow, but nothing in the crease. Like, girl, what are you doing? What are you doing? Oh my God, this is so funny to go back and see myself in videos and see how much I've changed.
Okay, so can we just talk about that that video? That was posted October 2013, so it's very old. It has 485,000 views, which is crazy that any of my videos got that much views. I couldn't even believe it. I remember my son was just a baby when I did this video. And let's just talk about my purple eyeshadow that I had rocking in that video. Like, okay, I had the top bun, the mom bun. Oh my goodness, that's funny. But it did make my lashes look really good. So let's crack into this. Okay, here we go. So that is 1 coat of the mascara here, and then this is my lashes without anything. And I don't want to look up. I almost did, but it's not dry, so I'm not going to do that because then I'll smudge it. So let's go ahead, and I'm rebuilding the same side with whatever's left on here. I'm not going in with any extra product. So there is 2 coats. I don't think my lashes are quite as long as they used to be, because I know there's just no way that my lashes are going to touch my eyebrows now, but it looks pretty good. Alright, so both eyes are done and I am finished with my entire makeup routine. I added a little bit of Urban Decay mascara, the Perversion on the lower lashes. I will say that if you are using this mascara and you like to put the wand at the base of the lashes and kind of wiggle or blink, you will feel a little bit of the bristles kind of poking on the waterline. But that's something that you will experience with other plastic wands. This is not your typical mascara wand that's more like softer, the bristles that are more on the black side. So if you think of the CoverGirl Exhibitionist mascara, the L'Oreal Lash Paradise, the ones that I talked about earlier in the videos, those have a different material on the bristles. This is more plastic. I thought it was kind of like rubbery, but it is a little bit more of a harder plastic. But that's just a little minor thing that I'm kind of picky about now, just because I don't want to use anything that's kind of poking me in the eye. But aside from that, I do like the overall look. I do think that the formula is really rich and black, which is great because I did pick up the Black is Black, but that doesn't always necessarily mean it's going to be intense and rich like carbon black. Like, that's what I like. And I thought it would be kind of fun to do a video circling back many, many years later to something that I used to love and seeing if I really like it. So far, I feel like I'm going to use this again. And I'm really thrilled and excited because this might be an extra mascara in my collection that I can count on, so I can just pick one for the day and know that it's going to work for me. And I don't think it clumped or looked weird on my lashes then, and I don't think it had like little flakes or anything on the lower lashes, which I can't stand, or the under eye area. You guys, that drives me nuts when I see little black flakes. Can't even talk. Little black specks, that's what I should say. Specks is the word on the under eye area, because it just doesn't look good, and you can flick them off, it's no big deal, but why deal with that, right? So I'm really excited about it. I thought this was kind of fun. I hope that you guys enjoyed this kind of video. Let me know if you have been with me since that video or since 2013 watching my videos, and if you have, I cannot thank you enough for watching and for being with me through this journey on here on YouTube and going through all these milestones in my life, because I know I've shared quite a bit over the years with you guys. So if you've been an OG follower and subscriber, thank you. Thank you so much. And if you're new, that's okay. Thank you for subscribing and for watching. If you haven't subscribed, hit the subscribe button so we can do more videos like this in the future, because I do have plans to try one more product that I have. I'm going to actually show it in a haul coming up that I bought, that I used to rave and love, and it was a dupe for a very popular item, which still I think is pretty popular, and people like to use it and purchase it from Ulta, Sephora, so stay tuned for that. And I hope that you will thumbs up the video, share it with someone that you think will enjoy it, and you can follow me on Twitter, social media. You guys know Twitter, Instagram, Snapchat. I even do Insta stories now, so definitely check it out because I will be posting there pretty regularly. I hope that you will tune in there. Stay tuned for the next video, and I'll see you soon.